Yo, what's good? So I'm editing this video right now and just realized that I didn't even make an intro, so but basically I got rain guards for my car. They're Mugen style, so they're a little bit different, and I've seen everyone paint match them like to their cars, and I wanted to try that because I think it looks super clean, but I've always seen it on 4-doors and never a coupe. So yeah, so that's what we're doing in today's video. Also, I've been recording with my phone, but I just picked this up, so I'm super excited to take some photos, do things more professionally, you know? So just investing in my channel. So obviously you clicked on this video to see my rain guards, not me talk, but you know, just a little channel update, so enjoy. Safety first, boys. Always wear seatbelts because they're there for a reason, yeah? There's some advice for you guys. Also, always get clearance Hershey's Reese's bars, right? What is going on here? So you just want to scratch them up a little bit to allow the paint to stick. Don't want to scratch them up like too bad, but it's whatever, honestly. Well, these look pretty good. Here she is without the rain guards, dude.